One of the events that you get to experience as a freshman is the iRead lecture. This is an academic lecture, which is something you probably haven't experienced before. A few things to expect are going to be Dr. Jerry Farley, who's our university president, and Dr. Julianne Mazachek, our vice president of academic affairs, who are going to introduce our speaker, who's then going to talk for about 30 to 45 minutes and then open the floor up for questions. Academic lectures are an important part of your college experience. The iRead is a great opportunity to hear from published authors and understand why they wrote what they did. Be prepared to show up on time and stay throughout the entire presentation, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great week.